वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। Let us chant this also. Alpaksharam asandigdham saravat vishwato mukham.
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्रुतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च श्रोत्रं श्रोत्रविदो।
You memorize, you remember Maheshwara Sutrani, Iksha Sutrani, since long time we didn't chant.
Yes.
Ayun, Reluk, Eong, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lan, Nyamangananam, Jabhai, Ghadadash, Jabagadash, Kapha Chatata Chatato, Kapai, Shashasar, Hal, Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani, Akuka Visarjaniyanam Kantaha, Ichuyashanam Talu, Riturashanam Murdham, Litulasanam Dantaha, Upupadmaniyanam Oshtau, Yamangananam Nasikacha, Edaitoho Kanthathalu, Odautoho Kantoshtam, Akarasya Dantoshtam, Jukhva Muli Yasya Jukhva Mulyam, Nasikanuswarasya, Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo Rajamani Sadagate
Ramena Bhigata Nishajara Jamo Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
रामेण
हता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय
रामाय
तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः
चित्तलयस्तदा
सदा
भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे
संहितैकपदे
नित्या
नित्या नित्या
नित्या
धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याः समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या
नित्या
समस्ते
समासे वाक्ये
वाक्ये
तु सा
विवक्षामपेक्षते
विवक्षामपेक्षते
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
प्रत्यया
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपादेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
तिप्तस्थि
तिप्तस्थि
तस्थि
सिद्धस्थ
सिद्धस्थ
मिद्वस्मस्
मिद्वस्मस्
त आतां च
ता
ता
आतां च
जय
तास् आतां द्वम्
थास् आथं त्वम्
त्वम्
इट् वहि महिङ्
इट्
वहि
महिं
महिम्
भवति चीतः अन्ति
तितः
तितः
अन्ति
अन्ति
सीतः थ
सीतः
सितः
थ
मी वह मह
मीवहमः
मीवहमः
ते इते अन्ते
ते
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 से इथे द्वे
से
से
इते
इते
द्वे
द्वे
ये वहे महे
ये
ये
वहे
वहे
महे
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति
भवति
भवतः
भवतः
भवन्ति
भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवत
भवसि
भवसि
भवतः
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 भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि
भवामि
भवावः
भवावः
भवामः
भवामः
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
लभते
लभते
लभेते
लभते
लभन्ते
लभन्ते
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे
लभसे
लभते
लभते
लभेते
लभाद्वे
लभन्ते
लभे लभावहे लभामहे
लभे
लभे
लभामहे
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 करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोति
करोति
कुरुतः
कुरुतः
कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुत
करोषि
करोषि
कुरुतः
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 करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि
करोमि
कुर्वः
कुर्वः
कुर्मः
कुर्मः
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुते
कुरुते कुर्वाते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वते
कुर्वते
कुरुषे कुर्वाते कुरुद्वे
कुरुषे
कुरुष्वे
कुर्वते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वद्वे
कुरुद्वे
What happened?
I think some problem in the connection.
I think so, yeah. कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्वे
कुर्वे
कुर्वहे
कुर्वहे
कुर्महे
कुर्महे
तकारातामन्
सकरतामन्
तकारातन्त
सकरतं
सकरतं तञ्च
अम्बम
अम्बां
अम्बाम
तयितामन्त
तायितां
तायितान्त
थाह इथां ध्वम्
ताः
थाः
इत्थं
ध्वम्
ध्वम्
ईवहे मही
ईमहीमहि
For change, we'll change the dhatu. Apatat, apatatam, apatan.
Sorry?
Apatat, apatatam, apatan. Change the dhatu.
Okay.
ओके अपतत्
अपठत्
अपतताम् अपतान्
अपटः अपटतम् अपटत
अपठः
अपतः
अपठत्
अपततम्
अपठः
अपतत
अपटम् अपटाव अपटाम.
अपठम्
अपतम्
भाव
भाव
अपठाम
अपठाम
Okay. Similarly, I will change the dhatu for that also. 1 minute. I'll find out some dhatu. Atmanepadi dhatus. Okay, understand now, then I'll check. This time it's okay. Alabata, alabhetam, alabhanta,
Alabhata, Bhetam, Alabhanta,
alabataha, alabhetam, alabhadvam,
Alabhata, Bhetam, Alabhadvam,
alabhe, alabhavahi, alabhamahi,
Alabhe, Alabhavahi, Alabhavahi,
akarot, akurutam, akurvan,
Karot, Akurutam,
Akarotam
Akurvan,
Akurvan
akaroho, akurutam, akuruta,
Karoho,
Akurutam Akurutam
akaravam, akurva, akurma,
Akaram,
Akaram
Kurva,
Akurva
Kurma,
Akurva
akurvata, sorry, akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata,
Akuruta
Kuruta,
Akurvatam
Kurvatam, Kurvata,
Akurvatam
akurutaha, akurvatam, akurudvam,
Akurutha
Kurvatam,
Akurvatam
Kurvam,
Akurvam
akurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi,
Akurvi,
Akurvi
Akurvahi,
Akurvahi
Akurvahi,
Akurvahi
asti, staha, santi,
Asti, Staha,
Astitha
Santi,
Santi
asi, staha, sta,
Asi,
Asistha
Staha, Staha,
asmi, swaha, smaha,
Asmi,
Asmi
Swaha,
Swahasmaha
Swaha,
asit, astam, asan,
Asit, Astam,
Asam
Asan,
Asin
asihi, astam, asta,
Asi,
Asi
Astam,
Asam
Asta,
Asa
asam, asva, asma,
Asam,
Asam
Aspa,
Asam
Aspa,
Asam
tu, tamantu,
Tutam,
Tutamantu
Tu,
tamta,
Tamta,
Tanta
ani, ava, ama,
Ani,
Ani
Ava,
Ama
Ama,
Ama
tam, itavantam,
Tam,
Tam
Itam,
Idam
Itam,
Antam
swa, itam, dvam,
Swa
Swa,
Itam
Itam,
Dvam
Tam,
ay, yamahe, yamahe.
Ayavahe,
Ayavahe
Yamahe,
Yamahe
Now some, I take anchudatu, anchatu, anchatam, anchantu, just change it.
Anchatu,
Anchatu
Anchatam,
Anchadam
Anchantu,
Anchantu
Ancha, anchatam, anchata,
Ancha
Ancha,
Anchatam
Anchatam,
Anchata
Anchata,
anchani, anchava, anchama.
Anchani
Anchani, Anchava, Anchava,
Then atmani paridatu, lot lakara. You will take sudatu. Sudatu belongs to the, okay, that is not proper. Second gana. I should give you simple gana. Labdatu, shlagate. Shlagdatu we can do. Shlag means to praise, which is atmane paridatu, first gana. Okay. So just changing. Shlagate, shlagete, shlagante. Yet shlagatam, shlagetam, shlagantam.
Shlagatam,
Lagatam
Shlagetam,
Lagatam
Shlagatam,
Shlaghasva, shlaghetam, shlaghadvam.
Lagaswa
Shlaghasva,
Lagatam
Shlaghetam,
Yadvam
Shlaghadvam,
Shlagai, shlagha, vagai, shlaha, magai.
Shlaghe
Shlabhe,
Shlagavahe
Shlagavahe,
Shlagavahe
Shlagavahe,
Shlagdatu. This is okay, first gana. Atmanipadi. Shlagate to praise. Shlagate, shlagete, shlagante. Okay. Shamsati ityartha. Just then next one. Karotu, kurutam, kurvantu.
Karotu,
Karotu
Kurutam,
Kurutam
Kuruvantu,
Kuruvantu
Kuru, kurutam, kurutha.
Kuru
Kuru,
Kurutam
Kurutam,
Kurutam
Kuruta,
Karavani, karavava, karavama.
Karavani,
Karavani
Karavava,
Karavani
Karavama,
Karavana
Kurutam, kuruvatam, kurvatam.
Kurutam
Kurutam, Kurvatam,
Kuruvatam
Kurvatam,
Kuruvatam
Kurushva, kuruvatam, kurudvam.
Kurushva
Kurushva, Kurvatam,
Kuruvatam
Kurudvam,
Kurudvam
Karavai, karavavagai, karavamahai.
Karavai,
Karavai
Karavavahe,
Karavavahi
Karavamahe,
Karavamahi
Ititam, iyuhu.
Iti, Tam,
Idam
Iyu,
Yuhu
Ihi, itam, ita.
ईतं ईत
इयं इव इम
इयं
इव
इव
ईथ ईयाताम् ईरन्
ईत ईयातं ईरन्
ईथाः ईयाताम् ईद्वम्
ईथाः ईयाथं ईत्वम्
ईय ईवहि ईमहि
इय ईमहि ईमहि
Let us take the dhatu at dhatu at atati atet atetam ateyuhu
अते अतेताम् अतेयुः
atehe atetam ateta
अते अतेताम् अतेत
ateyam ateva atema
अतेयम् अतेव अतेम
atmanipadi dhatu d to fly dayate uddayanam flying. Okay, you can take this dhatu d become they become dayeta dayeyatam dayeran
दयेत दयेयातं दयेरन्
dayethaha dayeyatam dayedvam
दयेथाः दयेयाथं दयेत्वम्
dayeya dayevagi dayemagi
दयेमहि दयेमहि
D become die become when you do sandhi, D become day, sorry. Then die become daya. Daya plus eta, dayeta. Eta laba plus eta, labeta. So dayeta, dayeyatam, dayeran. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay. Kru dhatu we cannot change. Kru dhatu you need to memorize. Okay. That's why we are doing every class. Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu,
कुर्यात् कुर्यातां कुर्युः
kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryatam,
कुर्याः कुर्यातं कुर्यात्
kuryam, kuryava, kuryama,
कुर्यां कुर्याव कुर्याम
kurvita, kurviyatam, kurviran,
कुर्वीत कुर्वीयातां कुर्वीरन्
kurvitaha, kurviyatam, kurvidvam,
कुर्वीताः कुर्वीयाथं कुर्वीध्वम्
kurviya, kurvivahi, kurvimahi,
कुर्वीय कुर्वीमहि कुर्वीमहि
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
तदतिर्योऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
प्रथमः
प्रत्ययः
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 परश्च
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 आदिदातश्च
मादिदातश्च
आदिदातश्च
अनुदातौ सुत्वितौ
अनुदातौ
अनुदात्तौ
पितरौ
सुप्तौ
गुप्तिष्ठिद्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भ्यः
गुप्तिचिकित्सन्
सान्
मान् बदधान् शान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् शङ्ख्यो
शान्त्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मण समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः कर्मणः
समानकर्तिकादिच्छायां
समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनक्य च
शुभ
सुप
आत्मनः
आत्मनः च
काम्य च
काम्य च
उपमानादाचारे
प्रमाणाचारे
अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणात् चेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुर्यलोपश्च
कर्तुर्यसलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिके व्यक्तित्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्वैर्वा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वे लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो
वृषाभ्यो भूयद्भ्योर्लोपश्च हलः
लोगिताजिडाद्यक्यश्
लोहितादिडाभ्यः कष
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय
कष्टाय
क्रमणे
क्रमणे
कर्मणोरो मन्त्रतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो
कर्मणोर्मन्त्रतपोभ्यं वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्माभ्याम् वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः खरणे
शब्दवैरकलहार्भकम्बन्मेघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रनृत्य च
नमो वै वश्चित्रज्ञः च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराम्निङ्
उच्चभाण्डविचीवराणि
मुण्डमिष्टश्लक्ष्टलवनवृतवस्त्रहलकलकृततूस्थेभ्यो निच. Oh, we are not done this.
Sorry?
Have we done this before? No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Slowly we can do. मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनवृतवस्त्रहलकलकृततूस्थेभ्यो निच.
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवणव्रतवस्त्रहालकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो णिच
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रिया समविहारे यङ्
धातोरेकाचो
हलादिः क्रियास्तमभिहारे ज्ञं
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं
नित्यं
कौटिल्ये गतौ
उपसदचर जप जबदह दशग्रीभ्यो भावगर्गायाम्
रूपसदचरजपजपदः दशग्रीभ्यो भवगर्भायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेना लोमत्वचवर्म वर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच.
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलश्लोकसेनालोमध्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचूरादिभ्यो णिच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
मति च
हेतुमति च causative. Okay. 176 मडि च
मदि च
बडी परिभाषणे
भडी परिभाषणे
पिडी संघाते
पिडीसङ्घाते
मुडी मार्जने
मुडिमार्जने
तुडी तोडने
तुडितोडने
उडी वरणे
उडिवरणे
चडीकोपे.
चण्डिकोपे
Maybe from this the word chandi comes. Chadi iridatu num comes. Chandi is a chandi pata. Kopa is anger. Chandi devata is ugra devata. So kope. Shadirujayam sanghate cha
शरीरजायं सङ्घाते च
tadi tadane
तडिताडने
padigatau
पडिगतौ
kadi made
कडिमदे
khadi manthe
खडिमन्थे
hedr hodr anadare
हरिद्रिहोधे
vadr aplavye
आप्लाव्ये
dradr dhradr visharane
दाधे विचारणे
shadr shlaghayam
शाद्रे श्लाघायाम्
shladr to praise. Shlagate just now we saw.
Yes, just now.
So shladr
Oh, shadi is
sorry.
other dhatu, not this shlag.
No, this shlagate is different in the sense of praising the word shad. So shadate shadete shadante like that it will be praise. Shadate shadete shadante tatlakara.
Shlaghayam is same as like studau. They say sometimes studau.
Stuti is praise, yes. Yes, we can use. Shamsati also means praise. Shamsdat. Okay. Shautr garve.
Shautri garve.
Shautr garve means pride, proud. Shautr. to be proud. Shautati, shautataha, shautanti, like that. Yatr bandhe,
Yatrbandhe.
in the sense of bond. Yatr. So yatati, yatataha. Metr, medr, mletr, unmade.
Medr,
Mrte.
Medr,
Mrte.
Made,
Mret, dhatu is mret. Mretr, right?
Medr,
So metr, okay. Kate varsha varnayoho.
Kate,
Kate Varshavarnayoho.
Varna or Varana?
Varsha varna, not varna.
Varshavarnayoho.
Varna means, varna means to choose, I think, or to surround. Avarna, varsha avarna yoga. Sorry, to surround. Varsha avarna yoga. So it is in the sense of to rain or in the sense of to surround, to cover. That's meaning. Yeah. Katati katataha katanti. Parasmapadi always. Atapata gatau.
Atapata gatau.
That's what we atati atataha atanti. So movement. Rata paribhashane.
Rata paribhashane.
What is rata paribhashane? To memorize, to recall, to chanting. Ratanam we say. Lata balye.
Rata balye.
Lata balye means to be childish. That's meaning. Shata ruja visharana gatyavasadhaneshu. You see, visharana gatyavasadhaneshu. What is that? Upanishad, right? Same meaning. In addition to that, we have ruja also. Shadra dhatu visharana gatyavasadhaneshu. Yeah, one more meaning is the ruja. So ruja visharana. Visharana gatyavasadhaneshu. Ruja also is. Ruja means to seek, I think to become sick. So shat. Okay. You can chant. Shata ruja visharana gatyavasadhaneshu.
Shata, Ruja,
Raja Visharanagatyavasadineshu.
Okay. 200. Fine. That's enough. Coming back to Bhuvadayo dhatavah.
Bhuvadayo dhatavah.
Sanadinta dhatavah.
Nadinta dhatavah.
You remember, right? What are dhatus? Okay. Dhatva dehe shahasaha.
Dhata esha saha.
Nonaha.
Nonaha.
Idito num dhatoho.
Itonum dhatoho.
Rhita dhatoho.
Ritaita dhatoho.
Rikara. Rhita. Adita. Okay. Upadhayascha.
Padayascha.
Udoshtya purvasya.
Udoshtya purvasya.
Retreat. The same. I mean, same section, same operation. Rivarupadaya dirgha ikaha.
Rivorpadaya dirgha ikaha.
Palicha.
Alicha.
Upadhayam cha.
Padayam cha.
Pratyaha.
Pratyaha.
Parascha.
Parascha.
Adidatascha.
Adidatascha.
Datore kacho halare kriya samabhihare yang.
Dhatore kachohalare kriya samabhihare nyam.
Dhatoho.
Dhato.
Lasya.
Tasya.
Tiptasji siptastas vipvasmasta atam cha tasatam dom vitvahi maging.
Tiptasji siptastha vipasmas. Tatam ja bhasatam vami. Mahimahing.
Tingshit sarvadhatukam.
Tingshit sarvadhatukam.
Okay, that is sutra. Changes. We'll chant. Adadhatukam sheshaha.
Ardhatukam sheshaha.
Liksha.
Liksha.
Linga Shishi.
Linga Shishi.
This is 145, 146, 145. I will change. Oh. Yes, yes, seen Pratyaha, Parascha. Next one. You can see. Yeah. Sutram. Pratyaha 139th Sutra. Pratyaha we saw which in the last class, the Sanya Sutram as well as Adhikara Sutram. Adhikaraha ayam. Itah param Panchama Adhyaya Paryantam Samapti Paryantam Pratyaha Vakshante. Starting from here up to the 5th chapter, the last Sutram, last section, last Sutra, the last section of the 5th chapter. That is Pratyaya. So the Sutta I have written and the translation I also given. Starting from 311 up to 5th chapter end, whatever is ordained in Pratama Vibhakti, that is, it's a name Pratyaya. So this is a Pratyaya Sanya Adhikara, the Sanya as well as Adhikara Sutram. This is one of the biggest Adhikara, Mahattamaha Adhikaraha. And whatever is mentioned in the first case in this Adhikara will get the Sanya Pratyaya. And the Sanya is used to regulate the sense of others. So whatsoever shall be treated in this range from that is from 311 to 354 end will get the Pratyaya Sanya, with the exception of Prakriti Upapada Upadi Vikara Agama, because these are also will be in Pratama Vibhakti, therefore that we should not consider to be Pratyaya. That we what and all we'll see in the context terms. Then Pratyayanam Vedaha, 7 types of Pratyas we saw, Sanadi Pratyaya. You need to remember the Sanadi Pratyaya with the Sutra Pata, how the Pratyas, what Pratyas is important. That's why we are spending so much time now. Okay. Up to 6th Sutra, we have only one Pratyaya, San. Right? So you can divide this. 311 to 317, one section. Okay. 317 to 3121, another section. 3122 to 3190, one section, one part. 3191 to 34 end, next part. Understand?
Okay.
You can divide like that. Why the division is? In this section, 317, 311 to 316, and 317 is separate one. Don't include 317. Okay. 311 to 316, 317 is separate. Then 318 to 3121, that is a section. Okay. And 3122 to 3190 and 3191 to 34 end. This, what are these sections? The sections must be clear. 3112 to 316, only one pratyaya is a San pratyaya. In this section, is there the word dhatu here in this section?
No.
Dhatu, the word is not there. Whereas in the 7th Sutra, the word dhatoho is there. From the 8th Sutra onwards up to 21st Sutra, there is no word dhatu. From the 22nd Sutra up to 90th Sutra, dhatoho is there. Where it is there, dhatoho, the word goes as anuvritti from the 22nd Sutra. You can see 22nd. The 22nd to 3190, 90th Sutra. And 91 is our Adhikara Sutra, dhatoho, which is Adhikara is spread. It is extensed. I mean, this is Adhikara Sutra, whose scope is up to 3-4 end. Okay.
Okay.
So, dividing like this, the 317 San Pratyaya gets a Sanya, Adhadhatuka Pratyaya. Anyway, we are going to see that. Okay. Just to remember the division. So, the Pratyaya will get Sarvadhatuka, Adhadhatuka Sanya only when the word Dhatoho is there. Okay. The Dhatoho should be there. Then you may ask this question. In 3-1-5 also the sun pratyaya, sun is there. It also comes after the dhatu. Yes, no doubt. It comes after the dhatu. But it is not Savadhatukam or Radha. Okay. Whereas sketch pratyaya and all, you see, Supah, it comes after the Subanta. It comes after the Subanta. It's Namadhatu pratyaya it is. And there are no word, there is no word dhatu in this adhikara. That is in this section. 3182, 3121. No dhatu, the word. Therefore, the pratyas here are ordained after a word, a pratipadikam. You can say. Understand? Named after a word, a subanta or a pratipadikam. Let's say pratipadikam, nothing wrong. Okay. They are named, they are not named, they are given. Samita, what did I say? They are ordained after the subanta, you can say. They are ordained after the pratipadikam, we can say, nothing wrong. Saying that.
Which one? Like catch, kamyat?
Ketch, kyang, then kesh,
Oh,
then ketch, ning, niche, niche also. This niche is different from the niche which is in the sutras 3.1.25. That niche is different. Churadibhyaha, 10th gana is Churadigana. There are also niche. In the 21 also niche is there. That niche is different. The form is same, but pratyas are, the pratyaya forms are same. But the pratyas are different. One is Saradhatuka, the other one is Adhadhatuka. 21 is, sorry, so 21 is neither Saradhatuka nor Adhadhatuka. Shmita. I'm just blabbering something. Okay. 21 is neither Saradhatuka nor Adhadhatuka. Okay. In the 25th only, get a Jasanya Adhadhatuka.
yes.
Okay. The point is, here 3182, 3121, there is no word dhatu. So those pratyas are ordained after the you can take subanta. Supaha is it, that's why he says subanta. Subaha. Subantat. It means subanta. Subanta means it should be nama padam. So therefore we say nama pada dhatu. That's why we say nama dhatu. That's why we say nama dhatu pratyaya. Supaha is nama padam. And the pratyaya is added to the subanta. Therefore, pratyaya is called namadhatu. And the resultant dhatu is namadhatu pratyaya. Why did I get the sanya pratyaya? Because sanadentaha dhatavaha. Remember, that's a connection. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
I'm not saying anything different. Whatever I said before, the same thing I'm saying. The ketch, kamyach, all these, we don't require all those things. But just explaining the section, we are not going to add this pratyaya and find out the form. We are not interested in that now. Just know these pratyas are added to the subanta. Subanta means namapadam. Therefore, the pratyaya is called namadhatu pratyaya. The resultant is namadhatu. The resultant is namadhatu. How do you say it is namadhatu? Sanadentaha dhatavaha. Starting from sun, right here. The sun is there. Sanadentaha dhatavaha, that 12 pratyas starting from 315 up to 3131. Those pratyas are referred to by the word sanadi. And the 32nd sutra says sanadyantaha dhatavaha. So they get a sanya dhatu. Understand?
Yes.
That is why those things are given in this section. Otherwise, why do you require? Therefore, they're all dhatu. Because they're dhatu now, you can add ting pratyaya in whatever the moods and tenses you want. You can add the lakaras, different lakaras. You get it. Okay.
Okay.
So the division of the sutra, you need to remember that. We divide the sutra 312, 316, and 317 is one separate. One sutra that we keep it separately because dhatu of the word is there. And 318 to 3121, and 3122 to 3190 and 3191 up to 34 end. So remember like that. So dividing the sutra into these how many sections? 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 sections. And Sanadyantaha Dhataha, which is there in 3132, which says starting from the beginning of this chapter up to the last sutra, the previous sutra, 3131. Whatever the pratyas are there, they are referred to by the word Sanadihi. So the resultant is Dhatu. So Sanadi pratyas, not all Sanadi, all pratyas added to Dhatu. That is why I made this division. Please understand what I'm saying. Here the San pratyaya is added to Dhatu. Even though the word Dhatu is not mentioned, Gup, Tich, Kid, they are Dhatus. So San pratyaya added to Dhatu, right?
Yes.
And the San pratyaya is one of the pratyaya included in the Sanadi. In fact, the very first pratyaya is San only. And if you take Supa Atmana Kech, 8th sutra, where the pratyaya Kech is added to Supaha, Subanta, Subantat, Subantam Padam, Subantat Kech pratyaya bhavati. So Kech pratyaya is, now it is a Kech anta. Kech anta is a dhatu. Okay, San pratyaya added to dhatu. Kech pratyaya added to Subanta. Understand? Kamech
Yes.
also like that. Kyang also like that. So the pratyas in this range, 3182 to 3122 are the pratyas. They are added to Subanta, and the resultant would be a dhatu. Okay, that's why this section, I made it separate. 3182, 3121. See, generally, the Pratipadikam will get what? Pratipadikam or Namapadam, you can say Subanta, will get what? Will get a Tadita Pratyaya. So that is there in the next chapter, 4th chapter. But this is a section where you can see to a Subanta, we add a Pratyaya and we get a Dhatu. Okay. So that is this, why it is not mentioned in the 4th chapter, because the resultant is Dhatu. Okay. Therefore,
Yes.
only it is there in this section. The resultant is Dhatu, therefore you need to add Ting Pratyaya to get a Kriya Padam. You cannot add Sut Pratyaya. So it has to be placed in this chapter. You understand?
Yes. But one
Same
question.
a Subanta can be converted into another Subanta by adding Tadita Pratyaya. That is the next chapter, 4th chapter. That is why next chapter, the very first sutra is Niya Pratipadika. The pratyas which are added after the Pratipadikam. Those are listed in the 4th and 5th chapter. Whereas here, pratyas are ordained after the dhatu. How do you know? How do you get the dhatu sanya? Sanadyantaha dhatavaha. All this it should be very clear in your head. Okay.
Yes.
Is it clear, Vachaspati?
Clear.
Any doubt is there?
I have a question.
Yeah.
If we say like this pratyaya will come after Subanta,
Yeah.
but like
Subanta or Pratipadika. We can say Pratipadika, nothing wrong.
okay.
Because anything is, because it is going to be same. Because there is another sutra by which the pratyaya of the Subanta will drop. So you will have only Pratipadikam. So you are going to add only to the Pratipadikam. Okay. So you can say Pratipadikam. Nothing wrong. So again, I tell that for you to, remember thoroughly. Again, I repeat, 311 to 316, one section, make it 317, the second one, second section, third section, 318 to 3121, and 3122 to 3190, and 3191 to 34 end. Okay.
Yes.
So 3122 to 3134 end, you have Dhatoho. You have Dhatoho is there. Then you may ask this question. If 3122 is a dhatoha is that, then why we require 3191? That is there for the purpose of what? I told you in the last class. No. That is there for the purpose of defining krit pratyas. In this dhatoha adhikara 3191, that which are not thing will get the sanya krit. Only 3191 adhikara. Not in the previous adhikara. Understand? That I mean 3122. 3122, 3190, there the pratyas which are not a thing, of course they are not thing pratyas are not there. Will they get krit sanya? No. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
3191 onwards, from here onwards up to, from here onwards, okay. From here onwards up to 3-4 end, the pratyas which are listed and the pratyas which are the listed pratyas, if they are not a thing, then they get the sanya krit. So
Yes.
the krit sanya is applicable only from here onwards. 3192 onwards, 3191 I can say, or 3192 to 3-4 end, not before. Why? That's why dhatoha adhikara is there. Why means that is why dhatoha adhikara is there. You understand? So
Understood.
this under this adhikara 3191, the pratyas, if they are not thing, they get the sanya krit. Not here, because here also we have pratyas which are not thing, like ishnuhu, shap, etc. All those pratyas. Are they what sanya they get now here? Are they krit pratyaya? No,
No.
they are not krit. Yes, sarvadhatuk pratyaya. There is no doubt. Because, okay, why they get sarvadhatuk pratyaya, sanya?
Because they are neat.
How they get sarvadhatuk sanya? What is sarvadhatukam? I told you. I thought you read. Huh?
Near sheet.
Yeah, exactly. Tingshit sarvadhatukam, right?
Yes.
Tingshit sarvadhatukam. If tingshit is sarvadhatukam, why not the pratyaya shas is not sarvadhatukam? Shas with su, aujas, out shas. They are also shit only, right? Su, aujas, out shas. Why not the shas?
Because it is a pit, so it will be deemed to be neat. Therefore, no, it's another thing. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Not that one. Tell me. Why not shas pratyaya? Why not shas pratyaya get sarvadhatuka sanya? Shakara is it letter shitvat.
Because the sanya, the dhatu doesn't come in this section.
Pratyas added to dhatus only can be classified as sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam. Shas pratyaya is added to a pratipadikam. How can you classify? How can you classify it as sarvadhatuka? How do you know it is added to dhatu? That which are added to dhatu should be classified as sarvadhatuka, adadhatuka. Because that sarvadhatuka sanya defined in this adhikara, third chapter, and therefore the third chapter, the pratyaya following the dhatus, right? They alone get sarvadhatuka sanya, adadhatuka sanya, not the pratyas follow the pratipadika, which is the next chapter. Understand?
Yes.
The sarvadhatuka sanya, adadhatuka sanya applicable only for this chapter. This chapter deals with pratyas added to dhatus. So therefore, the pratyas added to dhatus can only enjoy the sanya, sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam. Not the pratyaya added to pratipadikam, which is the subject matter of the next chapter. Understand?
Understood.
And also, another important thing. The word, see, dhatoho. Okay, I'm just saying the pratyas, please listen carefully. The pratyas which are added to the dhatus, right? And if they are thing or shit, they get sarvadhatuka sanya. Simple. We are going to see the sutram again. That's different, but still, you can know it before, so that will be easy for us to go through the sutram. Pratyas which are added after the dhatu, right? They get the sanya sarvadhatukam provided they are ting or shit. Please note this. Okay. What is adadhatukam? That which is not sarvadhatukam is adadhatukam, right?
Yes.
The pratyas which are added to the dhatu, and if they are not sarvadhatukam, if it is not sarvadhatukam, then it must be adadhatukam.
Yes.
Now, see, I'm not teaching anything new. I'm teaching the same thing. Now you answer. What about the pratyaya in the fifth sutra? There we have Guptich Kidvya son. Is it sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam?
It's neither sarvadhatuka nor ardhatuka because that toho is not there.
Exactly. So now you understand what is sarvadhatukam, what is adadhatukam? For a pratyaya to be the adadhatukam, right? There must be the mentioning of the word dhatoho.
Yes.
Dhatoho, the word has to be there. And the pratyaya is ordained after the dhatu. You understand?
Yes.
Dhatoho, the word must be there. The sutram, either the sutram or the word dhatoho coming as anuvritti from the other sutram, or the dhatoho must be an adhikara sutram, and the pratyayas in this section are added to dhatu. Therefore, 2 times dhatoho will be there. You just for understanding, I'm saying here. Here, dhatoho is there, not there.
Not there.
But what are they? Gup, Tich, and Kid. They are dhatus only.
Yes.
Sun is a pratyaya added to the dhatu. But the word dhatoho is not there. Therefore, it is not a adadhatu. Now, the same sun comes here. Okay. Here, the word dhatoho is there. To a dhatu, I mean, the pratyaya, dhatoho karmanaha samana katraka va. So, sun being a pratyaya, the pratyaya will come after the dhatu. And the dhatoho, the word is mentioned. So, therefore, we have 2 times dhatoho. You understand?
Yes.
It is implied. Dhatoho iti, dhatoho vigitaha pratyaha ardhadhatuka pratyaha. Tingshit nasti chet. Yadi sarvadhatukam na chet. Okay. Yadi pratyaha sarvadhatukam na chet, adadhatukam bhavati, kada bhavati, dhatoho iti dhatoho vigitaha pratyaha. That is, the sutra must have dhatoho. In simple words, that is what I'm saying. The sutra must have dhatoho. So here 317, the same pratyaya which is added to dhatu gets adadhatuka sanya because dhatoho, the word is there. That is why. More on a technical thing we will discuss when we define the sanya later. Just this much you note. The word dhatoho must be present. Otherwise, no. Okay. Now you see. Let us take some pratyaya here. Of course, in the section 318 to 3121, there is no word dhatu, therefore the pratyas cannot enjoy adadhatuka sanya. Of course, they are not sarvadhatukam also because they are not a thing, they are not shit, therefore they cannot be. Can they be adadhatukam? No, because the word dhatoha is not there. That is why we say dhatoha, the word is not there. That is why they do not enjoy any of the sanya. You understand? But they are added to dhatu only. So, therefore, you cannot say blindly the pratyas added to dhatu can be classified as sarvadhatukam, adadhatukam. It categorically you cannot say. You have to say provided the word dhatoho is mentioned in the sutra, or the dhatoho coming as anuvritti from some sutra, or dhatoho adhikara is there, then only the pratyaya added to dhatu will get the adadhatuka sanya, provided if it is not sarvadhatuka. In fact, that is a complete definition of adadhatuka. Follow what I'm saying? Therefore, san pratyaya in 317 ardhadhatuka. 22nd sutra, dhatoho. The young pratyaya comes after the dhatu, because it is in this adhikara, in this chapter, in this chapter, in this adhyaya, and dhatoho, the word is there. Therefore, young pratyaya is adhadhatuka pratyaya. Similarly, you take nich pratyaya. Churadibhyaha. What is churadi? Churadi is the 10th gana. The first dhatu is chur dhatu. The list of dhatus beginning with the dhatu chur is called churadi gana, 10th gana. The fourth, churadi means dhatu only. What else? And nich is a pratyaya added to dhatus. The word dhatoho coming as anuvritti from 3121. So you have 2 times dhatoho, dhatoho. Dhatoho iti, dhatoho vigitaha nich pratyaya. Therefore, nich pratyaya is adadhatuka pratyaya. You understand?
Yes.
Similarly, nich. Nich is then you take other yak. What is yak? That is also ardhatuka pratyaya, because yak is a pratyaya added to a dhatu, and dhatoho, the word is coming as anuvritti, therefore pratyaya. Kamer ning pratyaya. What is that? That is also ardhatuka. So all the pratyayas in this section, they are not, if they are not, sarvadhatuka, then they get the sanya adadhatuka. You understand? Therefore, the third chapter, 311 to 316, the pratyayas, in fact, only one pratyaya is a son. That will not enjoy neither of the sanya. Similarly, 318 to 3121, the pratyayas which are there, kesh, etc., they also do not enjoy neither of the sanya. Understand?
Yes.
Other than that, what is other than that? 317, that's only one sutra. And 3122 to 3190, 3191 to 34 end, they enjoy sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam. Sarvadhatukam when thing and shit. I mean, if the pratyaya is thing pratyaya, shit pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Otherwise, adadhatuka. So therefore, it should be easy for you to find out whether pratyaya is adadhatukam or sarvadhatukam by seeing the pratyaya.
Yes.
Right?
Mhm.
So I'll just list some pratyaya. You have to tell me what pratyaya is that, sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam. You don't need to know the sutra or the location of the pratyaya. Just by seeing that, you should be able to tell. This section, whatever section I told, that is 311 to 316 and 318 to 3121. If you know those pratyaya, right, then you can tell what is sarvadhatukam, what are adadhatuka pratyayas, because those are not in either of them, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let me Tavatu. What type of pratyaya is this? Sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam?
Ardhadhatu.
The pratyayas, of course, the pratyaya, of course, it is in the third chapter. It is not there in the range 311 to 316. It is not in the range 3182 to 3121. Therefore, it must be in the range where they get the sanya, either of the sanya. And this is not a thing or not a shit. Therefore, adadhatuka. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, another pratyaya, null. Sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam?
Ardhadhatu.
Again, you have to see the same 311 to 316. What is there to see that only one pratyaya is a son, right? And 317 to 3121, there we have only keshe, kyanga, and niche something is there. Yeah, those pratyayas. You can list down what all the pratyayas. Only few pratyayas are there. Maybe less than 10. Okay. They are not. Therefore, it must be adadhatuka.
Ardhadhatu.
Understand? Trich.
Yes. Ardhadhatuka.
Ardhadhatuka. See, to now at least I'm teaching you with sutra, right? Without sutra, I was explained in a simple way. The students they found it so difficult, not able to tell whether Sarvadhatukam or Ardhadhatukam. I'm giving simple examples. In the curriculum for the basic class, I struggle to make them understand. The person wearing white dress is a brahmachari. What about the other people? What about the other people who doesn't have white dress? You have to say they are not brahmachari. That's what I'm asking. But they're not able to say that. The person wearing white dress, the brahmachari. What about the other students who doesn't wear white and white? They wear some color dress. They are not brahmachari. That's what I want. Brahmachari Sarvadhatukam. I mean, white and white Sarvadhatukam. Color dress Ardhadhatukam. What is the big difference? What is the big difficulty here in identifying Sarvadhatukam, Ardhadhatukam? Thing Sarvadhatukam. Only those 18 pratyas plus the pratyaya in which Shakara is iterator, Sarvadhatukam. The rest are what? Ardhadhatuka. What difficulty is there in identifying it? It took more than a week, 10 days. Still, I could not make them understand. I was struggling. So that, I don't know, the concept probably takes some time to, get into them. It takes probably some time. Anyway, with the sutra, what will happen? Just imagine. With the sutra, of course, we must know with the sutra because we are doing Ashtadhyayi. We cannot just know, things is Sarvadhatukam, Ardhadhatukam, Sheshaka. We have to dig into it further. Understand the range, the range, the adhikara and the scope, the scope of the adhikara and the pratyaya in that. The dhatu, the word must be there. All those technical details are required. You need to remember that also. Without that also, you can tell. Suppose if you don't know, what will happen? I will give catch pratyaya. What you will say? Suppose if you don't know. No, that's what I'm saying. It is not. If you don't know, then you will say Ardhadhatuka. It is not. Understand? Because catch is a pratyaya added to a sup. It's added to a pratipadikam.
Yes.
Therefore, it cannot be and moreover, not pratipadikam. Pratipadikam is don't think it is there in the fourth section. It is in the third section only. But dhatoho, the word is not there.
Correct.
Therefore, it is neither.
Evanate.
Because, see, it is added to a pratipadikam. Is it there in the fourth chapter? If it is the fourth chapter, then it's a problem. Then this will get the sanya, supratyaya. Supratyaya or some other pratyaya it will get. Tadita pratyaya or stri pratyaya, whatever it is, right? It is there, very well there in the third chapter alone. The word dhatoho is not there. Therefore, being the third chapter, doesn't enjoy either of the name, either of the sanya.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
This must be very clear.
It seems that the mostly the pratyayas are Ardhadhatuka.
Yes.
There are many more Ardhadhatuka than Sarvadhatuka or neither.
No, there are many Ardhadhatuka pratyas. All Krit pratyas you will see. Almost not all. Okay, I should not say all. Many Krit pratyas are Ardhadhatuka. Many Ardhadhatuka pratyas are there. And Sarvadhatuka pratyas, of course, 18 plus those Krit pratyas, not only Krit pratyas, even otherwise also, Shap, etc. They are Shit pratyas. All these enjoy Sarvadhatuka. But Ardhadhatuka, the sanya, the number is Ardhadhatuka number is more. Yes, that's correct. You can say. Okay.
And this sanya, Sarvadhatuka or Ardhadhatuka, it will be used for other karyas later.
Of course, which I taught you in between, when a pratyaya follows, angasya, igantasya, gunaha bhavati, rasa ikupadayaha, gunaha bhavati, we saw. That is Angakarya. Angakarya, that is a purpose. Okay. Now, here you see, I'm listing out the pratyas, which are neither of them. One is sun. The sun is, please note, this is a sun in the sun of the fifth sutra, not the seventh sutra. Please note, this is son of the Panchama Sutram, not the Saptama Sutram. So, son, and we have Kyach, then Kamyach, this is another Pratyaya, and Kamyach, Kyang, and one Kvipratyaya also is that. Don't confuse this Kvipratyaya with the other. This Kvipratyaya is added to Pratipadikam. Please note, this Kvip is different. Then we have Chesh Pratyaya, then Chesh Pratyaya, and we have Stari Kramani, Karmana Romantic. Ning Pratyaya, Nish Pratyaya. Ning Pratyaya, then Nish Pratyaya. Again, this niche is different from the niche which comes later. Turadibhyaha niche. This is the 21st niche. Sutra number 21st. 21st Sutram. Please note. 21st Sutram niche. Similarly, Ning also it is. One more Ning is the later. Tamir Ning. That is, Ning is different. Okay. That is 30th Sutra. Whereas this is Ning of 20th Sutra.
Yes.
So please see. How many Sutra, how many Pratyas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 Pratyas are neither Sarvadhatukam nor Adhidhatukam.
On this end.
Only this much, yes.
Okay.
Only this much. Only this much or neither. The rest are has to be Sarvadhatukam or Adhidhatukam. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
And one question.
Yeah.
This karyas that will be done later after you make the sanya sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka.
We don't make the sanya. By seeing the pratyaya itself, that gets a sanya. And after that, you add to the dhatu. Then, when the conditions are fulfilled, karya will happen.
Karya will happen, yes. But this sanya is given very late in this chapter, not in
What
the
sanya?
beginning.
Yeah. So what?
Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka.
Yeah, it's given late on. In the 3-4 only given. It's okay.
Okay.
We are not sure. We are not going line by line, right?
Yeah. Okay. The karyas will be explained later.
That is in the totally different adhikara. Angasya. Remember, I told you Angasya adhikara 6412 74. Angasya adhikara 5 sections where the karya happen, which happens due to the pratyaya, provided the anga also fulfill the conditions. They're all given in the 5 sections of the Ashtadhyaya 6412 74 in. The 5 sections deal with anga karyas. Not here.
Oh,
See, the 3rd chapter, 4th chapter, 5th chapter. See, this is how the sutras are arranged in Sutra Pata. The first 2 chapters define Prakriti. See, the whole thing is Prakriti Pratyaya, and the resultant is the, Prakriti plus Pratyaya is equal to what? You get something, right?
yes.
What is that? It could be a Pratipadikam, or it could be a Padam, or it could be a Dhatu, whatever it is. So,
Correct.
first two chapters deal with Pratyaya, 1 and 2. The next 3 chapters, 3, 4, 5, Pratyaya. And the rest, 7, 6, 7, 8. There, the resultant. The resultant only we do Angakarya, we do Sandhikarya, all those things. All those things are dealt in 6, 7, 8. Understand? The first 2 chapters define Prakriti. The next 3 chapters define present Pratyas. And the last 3 chapters, 6, 7, 8, deals with the changes happening to the Pratyaya or to the Prakriti, or the impact of the Pratyaya and the Prakriti. They're all dealt in the form of Angakarya, in form of Sandhi, whatever it is. Right? That's how it is arranged. Fine. Okay. Now coming back here. This how many? This 8 or the Pratyas which do not get either of the Sanya. Okay. Now let me ask one question. I'm giving the list of pratyaya. Now tell me, okay, please have the Sutrapata open. You have Sutrapata with you?
Yes.
Okay. Shap. You tell me, Shap. Is it Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam?
Sarvadhatukam.
How?
Because it's Shit Pratyaya and comes in the Vikarana Adhikara, which is after Dhatu Sanya.
Shap Pratyaya, Shakara is iterator, and this is in this section 3122 to 3190.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So therefore, Dhatoha is that therefore this must enjoy the Sanya Sarvadhatuka, right?
Yes.
Now, let me ask another question. Is it a Krit Pratyaya? Is it a Krit? Is it a Krit Pratyaya?
No,
No.
Why? Why not?
Because Grit
is not Sarvadhatka.
Huh?
No, because
No.
Krit cannot be Sarvadhatka or
No,
Ardhadhatka.
why not, sir?
No. Because
Any rule is there such like Krit Pratyaya should not be a Sarvadhatukam? No. Krit Pratyaya can be a Sarvadhatukam, Krit Pratyaya can be, or it could be Adhadhatukam also.
No.
Nothing restricts a Pratyaya, a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya from being a Krit.
I was confused with Sanadi, Vikarana, I think. Okay.
no, it's not a Krit because the Krit is defined in the other section
Exactly.
after 3190.
Yeah, Krit Sanyas. Okay, please see. Krit Sanya is ordained to the Pratyaya, which come under the Adhikara 3191 Dhatoho. Whereas Shap is here before Kartari Shap 3168, you can see, which comes
Yes.
in the range 3122 to 3190.
Yes.
They do not get the Sanya Krit. That's why in the beginning itself, I defined the Krit. The Pratyas under the Dhatoho Adhikara 3191, right, which are not get the Sanya Krit. So how can Shab be a Krit? It is Saradhatukam, but not a Krit. Suppose if I ask you another question, please tell. Shatru, this is another Pratyaya. Shatru, it's a Pratyaya. Tell me, is it Sarvadhatukam? First you answer this question. Is it Sarvadhatukam or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Sarvadhatukam.
How do you know it's Sarvadhatukam?
Because Shakara is illetter.
Shakara is iterator Sarvadhatukam.
And
So
it's
this,
not,
of course,
it's not
this
an addition.
pratyaya is in this chapter only. Therefore, it must be added to a dhatu. So because it comes after the dhatu, right?
Yes.
Therefore, it must because it's added after the dhatu. It must be in this adhyaya only. This chapter. Fine. Is it there in any of this eight pratyas? No. You see,
No.
not there. Therefore, this shatra must be there in some place where dhatoho is there. Dhatoho either as anuvritti or adhikara. You understand?
Yes.
Because these eight pratyas are there where there is no mentioning of the word dhatu.
Correct.
Even though these pratyas are added to the dhatu, there is no mentioning of the word dhatu. Whereas shatru pratyaya, which is not there in this list, therefore it must be under the dhatoho, either dhatoho adhikara. You can say dhatoho adhikara, nothing wrong. It must be under dhatoho adhikara. Therefore, it must be it must be either sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam. Shitvat, because it is shit, therefore sarvadhatukam. Understand?
Yes.
I tell you where is it. You can check later. It is there in the section 3.2. 3.2, 124 it is.
Okay.
3.191 onwards up to 3.4 in dhatoho. So dhatoho is there in 3.2, right? And
Yes.
Shatra is there. Therefore, it is a Shit
Also-
Pratyaya and Adhadhatuka, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Now tell me, is it a Krit Pratyaya or not?
Yes. Krit Pratyaya.
Because it is in the range 3191 to 34 end. So therefore, this must be a Krit Pratyaya. Whereas this is not a Krit Pratyaya, this is a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, fine, but not a Krit. Therefore, this is
Akrit.
Akrit, Akrit and Sarvadhatukam. Whereas this is Krit Sarvadhatukam. You understand?
Yes.
So, Vachaspati,
Because
Sarvadhatuka should
I
not
didn't
be
understand.
Krit. That's not correct. Yeah, tell me.
I didn't understand why Shatra is Krit.
Because it is in the Sutra 3 to 124. I told you 3191, 3192 onwards, up to 3-4 end, the pratyas, right? Which are not a
Oh.
thing, they get a sanya krit.
Ah, okay.
Don't forget that, sir. Important. That is what is krit, you must know, right? That is the sutra which defines krit. If you don't know the sutra, then how do you find out the krit?
Yes, yes.
This is a sutra which defines krit, that which are not things. See, thing pratyas, how many are there? Only 9 plus 9, 18 pratyas. The rest are what? The rest are what? Krit only.
Yes.
Siptashi, Siptasta, Bipasmas, only 18 pratyas are thing. What about the rest? Must be Krit. And this is 3 to 24. This sutra is. The Shatra is mentioned in the sutra 3 to 24 in the range. It is not thing, therefore it has to be Krit. You understand?
Yes.
If you understand these two, then I think you you understand the arrangement of the sutras in this section to a larger extent, I can say. Yes, sir. Is it clear?
Okay,
Yeah.
yes.
Anyway, I'm going to do the same thing again in the next class also. Till you answer the questions correctly without any
Yes.
hesitation. Till the answers are spontaneous. The moment I shoot the question, when the answers are now spontaneous, then I would get the confidence. Yeah, okay. You have understood, you can move to the next one. Okay, we'll stop here. Think about this. Do some nididhyasanam on this. We'll see this week. Okay. It's much beautiful. It's interesting. How the arrangement of the sutra. We cannot go by line, but to understand the whole, to understand the individual. To understand the individual, we need to understand the whole. So it is a catch-22 situation. Okay. So
Yes. Interesting.
students in the beginning will have a lot of questions and problems. They will be very curious to ask questions. But the teacher will say, hold your guns. Don't ask anything now. Just listen. You will understand later. Don't try to understand everything in one shot. Not possible. You need to wait. Kale Natmani Vindati. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. My mother, she asked, why do you shout? Why do I shout? If I don't shout, I go to sleep. The afternoon after heavy lunch, I go to sleep. And so if I shout, at least I will not go to sleep. That's why I'm shouting my peak voice. Sometimes I blabber. I know what. When do I do blab? Sorry for that. Okay. Anyway,
Yes. No, no.
it's a very peak times after lunch. Huh?
Yes, I
Okay.
know.
Yeah.
Thank you
For
so
you
much.
should be fresh. You have got up from sleep. Now tamasic. For him, I'm about to enter into tamas. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.